meeting plant tutorial. So if you've been following it, you should have made Blender made this by now. But yeah, if we go to this, so it should look like. We go back. Yeah. So let's get my ugly face out of here and let's get into it. We're just gonna bring back our plant. And we haven't done anything basically to the shape of the thing. So we are gonna do that right now. And if this doesn't look like a pot to you, which I actually think it doesn't look like a pot, what I would suggest is do this. Select it, then, this is really, oh yes. Go to edit mode. Select the faces. Oh, that's why I'm not selecting it. Select these faces. Alt. That. Alt. Shift Alt. This. And Shift Alt. Yeah, that's okay. Shift Alt that. And Shift Alt this. Shift Alt that. Shift Alt that. Shift Alt that. Shift Alt this. It's time consuming. Shift Alt that. Shift Alt that. Last one. Shift Alt this. Oh, actually, last one. Shift Alt this. Then you go to N. Item. Increase. Change that. To something reasonable. Nah, that's not good. I want something roundabout for a. How does that look? If we go to object mode. If we turn up the viewport, that'll look good. Oh, and I think this is good. I don't know. Just got a tip from someone. I think if you turn up the render, it fastens the render time. No, it doesn't. It when you render it, it doesn't make that blocky shit. But okay, now we're gonna parent it. So press this, shift this, Control P, object, keep, transform. Now, if we select this and move, oh no, Control Z. If we select this and move, yeah. So Control Z, and okay, now the next part is to create the leaves. So what you want to do is just basically just delete everything. Just delete everything. That's what I would recommend. Then you press Shift A, mesh, Shift A, mesh, and I think plain will look nice. So we'll do that. This will not look like a leaf, but also press N, move that silly thing. I want it to go on the x-axis. That looks pretty nice. Then add. Oh no, don't add. Go tab. So tab. And yeah, actually do edge select. That's even. I didn't even think of that. No, actually, no. Just select like that. Then press EX. Then you go up, like that. S like this. And then we select everything. I mean, I don't think you need to select everything, but I'm just doing it for backup. Then you do that, and you turn it up. Okay. Then you object shade smooth. It looks pretty good. Wait, which way am I face? Wait. Okay, I thought I was facing the wrong way. Okay, it's good that the new update did this because it's better. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, now we can add solidify. No, wait, nothing. You do like this. You can see it goes like that, which is pretty nice. Then you add subdivision, and I'm pretty sure that looks nice. Wait, I might change the thickness just slightly. Okay, That looks nice. Don't want it to be too... Okay. Anyways, go to edit mode. Control R, which, if you know, is this. This. Right click. There you go. And then press Control R to make a loop or something. And then press click. And then you can move it around. Just press right click. Just step it back. Then, I actually think we can extrude this even more. No, actually no. Just leave it like this. And then we can edge select this, alt, like this, alt, press, click, bean. And then I wish there was like this mouse thing here. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, by the way, you can check down here like it actually this part down here actually helps you, so you can like yeah, and you can come here and look at that. But anyways, I think this is pretty nice. Then you can press Control B if I'm not right. If I am right, then you scroll. Right? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Then you select this, Alt. There you go. GZ. And then Alt this. GZ. Alt this. GZ. And I'm pretty sure that looks nice, so we're just gonna make a couple of those. One, there's like this. You'll see some problems. So we have to. Oh yeah, that's the problem. We have to go to. We have to go to object mode. Then we can. Okay. Then we can go to. I thought there was an error, and we can just go here and open this. Select these. G up. G. Wait. G. This. And I actually need to do something. This. Shift. What's the word? Go to edit mode.
P selection. Yay! And now you can go and there's different things. And then, so basically what I did is select this in edit mode, drag, and then P, and then, yeah. So, now we can position it, which is the very, 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 very extreme part. So, we have to go G, Y. This is the hard part. Fiddly part, so we just plant it inside there. S, scale. G inside. G, Z. Don't know if that's good, I think. Oh, it's overlapping. Which is good. You'll think, why is it good? Well, we can just select this. Alt, this. G, up. Oh. Yeah, you'll see a problem here. And now we can select Alt, this. Now we can select like this. Alt, this. No, Alt, this. Alt, this. G, like that. Like this. Now there you go. Then we gotta scale it. G, up. That. And hopefully, oh yes, G, X. G, Z is a bit fiddly. There you go, I think that looks good. There you go, like this. Rotate on the Z-axis. And then you G, put it there. G, plant it there. G, go here. S, scale. And then we just put them there. So I'll just fast forward. You don't need to see me doing this, so.
Okay, so before we get into that, let's do this. Shift, shift, shift. Control P, and object keep transform. Then you do Shift D. I know. Right click. P. Shift. 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 Brett. Shift. 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 Okay. Shift. D. Shift D, P, and then edit mode. Then we want to go to this. Select everything. Wait. Okay. I think I selected everything to P. Press P selection. Okay. Nice. Now we're getting into shape. Then we just position that right there. So we're gonna position it right there. This might look odd to you right now, but soon enough, soon. Takes time. Shift this. Oh wait, shift this. Control M on the M, new collection, planes. Actually, leaves. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this, so now we got the hang of it. So now let's do this, and let's start with a new one. So let's add in a circle. Then we press in edit mode. Press this hand and drag it here. EZ. Yes. S. Scale it down. And G. Put it here. Control F. Grid fill. Oh. Grid fill, yes. Control Z. Wait. S. Oh yeah, scale it really down. Then Control F. Okay. Now we can just press Control R. Yep. And then press G. Then this. Forgot what step. Add modify shade smooth. Shade smooth. There you go. I think that looks pretty good. That actually looks pretty good. Not gonna lie. Happy with the results. Now let's bring back everything. This is the hard part. Oh no, not the wall. Not the wall. Then you go G up. Scale it down. Okay, this is not. I need to like get the my position right. Okay. J, and then R Z and rotate it to do that. J Z scale, and then we face here. Okay, then we press RX, RZ, RZ. So we're just rotating it so it can face the front. Put it there. Then we
I did it backwards.
We did it the wrong way. RZ and select it to 90 degrees.
Rotate it on the Z-axis, pressing RZ.
To about this. Yeah, that's good. And you put it right here.
Then you rotate it,
Put it right here.
just adjust it.
Then you go to edit mode. Oh my god, this is time consuming.
Then press Alt.
And all this.
Alt. Press the bottom.
Extrude.
And press this.
This. Object mode.
Okay.
Here.
Great.
The edit mode. And then extrude actually Control Z. There. Go.
Yeah, I think.
There. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, Shift D one more time and Shift D one more time. This one you gotta scale even. Oh no, that's too small. Then you scale it even more. Yes. Then you scale this one even more. Rotate on the x-axis. Yeah, actually we can do that. RX. Yay. RX. Control to make more geometry. Dude, guys, we are almost done. But we've spent a lot of time on this, so I guess subscribe, like, and hit the bell. I can't wait to see you in the next video.